Hi guys, welcome to the Panasonic Store Southampton YouTube channel. In this video we're going to take a quick look at how to record onto a portable hard drive on one of our Viera smart televisions. You do have to be careful. Please check the manuals for your particular TV to firstly make sure it has this feature and to check if there's any restrictions between the size of the hard drive and or whether it can be USB powered or mains powered. So once you've checked your manual and you found yourself a suitable hard disk drive, you simply just plug it straight into the side of your Panasonic Viera smart TV. You do have to be careful. If your TV supports it, just check the socket labels. There may well be one that's just labeled HDD for specific use of a hard disk drive recording. Okay, so now that we've plugged in the hard disk drive into the right socket, you're going to need to format it. So it may prompt this automatically, but if it doesn't, very simple. Press the menu button, scroll down the menu until you get to Setup. And what you're looking for in here is the USB device setup. So just come down to there, press the OK button. Now, it should already list the hard drive in here, but it may have a different name. So you need to press the red key on your remote control to format the hard drive. It's now going to warn you that the hard drive will erase all of the information on there, so it's important that the hard drive you've chosen is going to be dedicated just to your TV recordings and that it doesn't have any of your previous data on. So just choose yes and yes again to confirm the formatting of the device. Just confirming you're losing all of the data. So once it's completed the formatting, it'll ask you to give the hard drive a name. This is really only so you can find it and determine it from any of the other USB sockets or hard drives that are being used. So just press yes, and you can use the keyboard to put in some text, or you can just leave it with its default name. To confirm this though, you press the return button on the remote control, not the OK button. You then get the choice to enable the hard drive ready for recording. The only reason you wouldn't want to do this is if you had some recordings on the hard drive already and you wanted to disable any further recordings. But for this, of course, we're just going to choose yes. So you can see here the name of the hard disk drive, the name you've given it as a separate text when you've set it up, and also the record symbol and playback symbol showing that it's available for the TV to use both for record and for playback. So now we've formatted the hard drive, we've given it a name, we're good to go. So what you have to do is just press your guide button on your TV remote control. Now it's important and a must that you must have the TV set to the Panasonic guide. Anybody that's using one of our FreeTime TVs and is set up in the FreeTime guide, check out a link on the screen somewhere right about now and we'll have a quick video to show you how to switch between the FreeTime and the Panasonic guides. So once you have this screen here, you just navigate up, down, left and right to choose your programs. You can record in high definition or standard definition. And once you find the program you want, just press the OK button. And your timer comes up, so you can just confirm the details, the time start, time stop, and the duration. And just press the OK button just to confirm that in. Press the return button to go back to your guide, and you can see now you've got the little clock timers. Depending on the model you've got, you need a twin tuner model to be able to record overlapping programs. Otherwise, you can only record one program at a time. Once you've made your recordings and you're ready to play back, it's a simple procedure. Just press the apps button on your remote control. Move the cursor over to Media Player. Now that'll just scan all the USB sockets and any network drives that you've got. So look for the name of the hard drive that you labeled it earlier. Press the OK button. And along with photos, videos and music that might also be on the hard drive, of course, you've got recorded TV there on the end. Just press OK, and it'll then list any of the recordings that you've made. It'll show the channel, the date, and the title, providing it picked it up off the guide as well. Just press OK to start the program, and you'd give you an option if you've watched it before to carry on where you left off. Otherwise, you can just start the program at the beginning. You then have the usual control that you would for any DVD or video, and you can use the left and right arrows to fast forward, pause, play, or rewind. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that's been helpful. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, check us out on Facebook, or just simply Google Panasonic Southampton for all of our contact details.